Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's episode we will have something rather interesting from the Hot Wheels line of models. Hot Wheels JDM ports the Nissan Skyline RS KDR30. Now this is rather interesting because according to the Hot Wheels wiki, the 82 Nissan Skyline R30 is an iconic car, but lesser known than its more famous forebearers, the C10 Hakosuba GTX, the C110 Camry GTR, and the R30's later successor, the R32 GTR. The R30 Skyline's claim to fame was on the Japanese TV series Seibu Keisatsu in the 1980s, and later with Jayco's wild card, the R30 RS Turbo Skyline. Yeah, that's a lot of info. I will place a link in the description below, so you can have a look and see exactly what's what. But let's talk about this particular model. From the box we already looked at it. Really cool details. 2024, sorry for this, haven't had the occasion to rip it out, but let's take the car outside and set this aside. Okay, let's have a look at it. Not that heavy. Right from the start, this metallic purple paint is absolutely gorgeous. Metallic flaking and a deep purple. Really love this thing. Looks absolutely exquisite. Straight from the 80s. Yeah, let's have a look at it. So first things first, the paint, we already talked about it. It's absolutely superb. These details are really interesting. This black line with this gold 6 that matches the wheels. RS Turbo, really cool. Yeah, no headlights unfortunately, but still pretty interesting front. Let me see if I can take it more into the light, but I will adjust it. Okay, the roof, the sunroof, embossed here and detailed. Okay, here we have a double spoiler. I think this is typically 80s. A spoiler for the back window and for the bonnet. RS TRB, and the stoplights are detailed. Finally, they look awesome. Really awesome. The exhaust, typical 80s, and we have something in the back, but I'm not really sure if these are speakers or no, these are seats. Yeah, so this is a 4-seater, but with 2-door configuration. Mud flaps, and the under the car is detailed. So this might be a 4-wheel drive. This might be 82 Nissan Skyline R30. Yep, really cool. I'm not really sure. Yeah, this is a defect in manufacturing, I think. This right here, this dot, that is a defect. This might be the antenna, and the interior with the right hand drive, and this little dimple here in the boot. Yeah, really cool model. I love this color, as I said. Really love it. The 80s style, preeminent. Yeah, really cool. Really cool. But as always, that being said, leave a comment down below and let's have a conversation about it. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching today's video and see you in the next one.